Look, if you have diabetes, whether it's type 1, type 2, or even pre-diabetes, you no longer need to worry. After years of research and clinical trials, a medication has been developed that can reverse your diabetes. Its name is Diab 99.9. When you take it, it reactivates your dormant pancreas and stimulates it to secrete insulin, providing your body with the amount of insulin it needs. You just need to take 2 capsules of it, one capsule half an hour before breakfast and another half an hour before dinner. This will bring your HbA1c levels back to the normal range in just a few months. Diab 99.9 contains the world's best herbs, which are grown under the most optimum temperature and soil condition, sourced by our team of technical experts from around the world. Proudly 100% Ayurvedic, Diab 99.9 stands out not only for its efficacy, but its commitment to safety, boasting a formulation free of any adverse effects. Should you find yourself with inquiries or in need of further information about Diab 99.9, our team is readily accessible.
To order Diab 99.9, click on the link below and visit yogamanlab.com.